As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Madam
we would-
Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
we will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Mer-
have to look into the records.
How-
May I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget that has just asked the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala?
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report. Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules. Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba kawala?
So the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
At the point of, after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it, and the small committee works. So